Ladies and gents, we've got some mail. Big mail. I'd say some would call this a package. Pretty exciting day because we have a knife, which means we're doing a little unboxing, which in turn means we're doing a little install. I know you guys saw the thumbnail already, so not a long intro today. We're just gonna jump into it. This is from our friends at Carbon Imports. We have a diffuser for this car. So the one thing that I really don't love about this car is the rear end. Now, yes, they kind of have these little fin guys from factory, which looks a little bit aggressive, but the before and after today is gonna be huge. I'm really looking forward to it. Knock on cardboard, should be a quick and easy install today. I believe we just need a little 10 mil. The rest are clips. We don't need to take the bumper off or anything. This is mostly gonna be a little how-to, a little before and after. Let's just do a little unboxing, shall we? I don't know about you guys, but every time I unbox something this nice, it's like Christmas morning. Oh yeah, that is so much more aggressive. Holy cow. We're gonna get this out of the box, out of the packaging. We're actually going to ceramic coat it because for all new carbon parts, we'll wanna keep them protected. So the number one way to do that is with a ceramic coating. Let's get this thing out. Holy cow. Let's get this sick puppy on the ramps. Yeah, we're good, even with that aggressiveness. You look at that thing yet?
Yeah.
Woo. Keep going. Keep going. Good. I have on record that I'm going to attempt this 100% myself.
Okay.
With the supervision of Mr. Rory, who we've seen in previous videos, who's been super helpful in all these recent installs. So we have a little 10 mil socket here, lefty loosey on two of these guys, which are right here and right here. Sorry, it's out of focus. My hand just went front. Rory, take a picture of this, dude. Check this out. I'm wrenching, bro. Nobody's gonna believe this if you tell them. Oh, what the heck? Just a little cap? Cool. That actually makes it easier. All right. Put these somewhere safe so we don't lose them. And the rest of this is just pulling it off, which you can do by yourself, but in the videos I've seen, if one person pulls and one person holds the bumper, it's a little easier. Oh gosh, this is gonna make a mess, isn't it? Right. The goal is to not break anything expensive or anything that's staying on the car. Oh, there's also a sensor. Forgot to mention that. All right, so this, let's show the people too. This little housing, I believe it's just held on by 3M tape. So we can rip this off and then that will sit on this. I might need to get some 3M tape from the store. Yeah, so this just comes up. See this tape under here? It's just like 3M, so I think I may have to go get some real quick from the store. I can snap this in half even.
I think I'm out of double-sided.
Well, luckily, there's no rallies right across the street. The tractor supply might have one too. Jeez. What?
How silly.
So I'm gonna take this off here. Oh no, that's fine. Going to Tractor Supply to get a little double-sided 3M tape because I forgot that's a thing. Let's see if they have it. Hopefully they do. If they don't, we'll have to go to O'Reilly's, which is across a busy street, so fingers crossed. So we learned this has to go back in about like here. So picked up the Gorilla tape. They did not have any 3M, but this will do. I guess you could also glue it if you're planning on keeping this diffuser on the car forever. All right, so that piece is the last to go in with this little wire kind of rigged up how we have it. And the next step is just plugging it into these individual clips. So I'm gonna set the phone down, get started on that, and then screw these last two in and we're essentially done. So hopefully it goes as easily as I just explained it. Let's try it. There we go. So now we're flush. This side was poking out a little bit more where this is right here, but you just gotta wail on it a little bit. Whew. All right, let's get those last two screws or bolts, whatever those things are called. Now we're just doing stuff in the opposite order. So right here, quick wiggle test. We're golden, holy cow. That wasn't too bad. Whoa! Dude, that thing is crazy, holy moly. All the sensors should be set. So a little spoiler alert, I did order some other stuff for this rear end. So it's gonna complement the carbon. It's gonna complement this kind of contrast we have going on with the black and white. But I think it looks nice and it's coming together with this diffuser, holy cow. The difference is nuts. All right, that looks good. Let's get this down off the ramps and we'll see what it looks like on the ground, shall we? It looks so good with this on, I can't express it. We have a couple more things in the mail that are gonna complement that, so I think it's gonna look even better than it does now. I actually already got a shipping notification for one of the items, so hopefully they'll be here soon. And then obviously we'll upload the videos for that, install them as they get here. But if you guys want to see Carbon Import stuff, they have a bunch of things for Audis. The rear of this car has been completely transformed. It's gonna look even better. We got Evan here in the S5. Link to Carbon Imports will be in the description of this video. Go check out their stuff. I had a lot of Carbon Import stuff on the B8.5 S5. If you guys enjoyed the install, want to see stuff like this, hit subscribe. If you're feeling so generous, hit the like button for the algorithm. It does truly help. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe if you guys new. Till next time, we'll see ya.